Using a Klarna one-time card is a simple way to shop online while ensuring secure payments. Here's how to do it. Download the Klarna app. Start by downloading the Klarna app on your mobile device. Create an account if you don't already have one. Access the one-time card. Once logged in, navigate to the Pay with Klarna section in the app. Select the option for a one-time card. Generate the card. Klarna will generate a virtual card number for you. This card can be used for online purchases at any retailer that accepts card payments. Set your spending limit. Before making a purchase, you can specify a spending limit for the one-time card. This helps control your budget and prevent overspending. Make your purchase. Go to the retailer's website and at checkout, enter the one-time card details provided by Klarna, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Complete your order. After entering the card information, complete your purchase. Klarna will process the payment and you will receive a confirmation. Repayment. Klarna will notify you of the repayment terms, allowing you to manage your payments easily.